The Carboniferous period was a period of time best known for the introduction of coal into the earth. It began 359.2 million years ago and ended 299 million years ago. This is the period of time in which coal beds were formed that we still use today. Terrestrial land life did exist and flourish during this period. Amphibians were very prominent land vertebrates, and they eventually evolved into reptiles. Arthropods, including crustaceans, insects, and arachnids, were also prominent terrestrial populations. The coal for which this period was named was formed from 3-bark lowland swamp forest plants. Vegetation included giant club mosses, tree ferns, great horsetails, and towering trees with strap-shaped leaves made debris over millions of years and compacts that create coal deposits that we use today. The growth of trees and forests like this vastly increased oxygen production in the atmosphere. Insects grew much larger than what we are used to today. Most notably of the variation in size was a fossil of a dragonfly that died 320 million years ago that measured 2.5 feet long. Amphibians were a predatory species at the time and also grew much larger than we are used to today. Some were even 20 feet long. Amphibians gained crucial evolutionary adaptations that allowed early reptiles to come about. This adaptation was the amniotic egg. It allowed for protection of the embryo in the form of a fluid-retaining membrane, but still allowed oxygen to pass. These first reptiles were small and quick lizards. Their fossils were found in tree bark from the time period.
The Carboniferous period is often split into two subperiods, the Mississippian and the Pennsylvanian. The Mississippian is also named for its rocks and can be found in the Mississippi River. It is characterized by its vastly rising water of the oceans. The Pennsylvanian period is named for the coal that is widespread in the American state of Pennsylvania. By the end of the Carboniferous period, the plates were well on their way in forming Pangaea, which is a land masses of the earth as one large continent. The Appalachian Mountains had also formed by this period.